Whether you're on the hunt for unbeatable value, unmatched performance, or earbuds that meet your unique needs, welcome to our special exploration of the Best Wireless Earbuds 2024 Soundscape, where we uncover the wonders of the leading wireless earbuds that are redefining audio excellence. This year has seen phenomenal strides in active noise cancellation, ANC, and design innovation, ensuring that each pair not only sounds incredible, but also fits perfectly into your daily life. Our carefully curated selection is designed to cater to every listener out there. Whether you're deeply integrated into the Android ecosystem, devoted to Apple's seamless connectivity, seeking a deep dive into immersive audio realms, or a true audiophile chasing the subtlest details in sound, we've got something that will strike a chord with you. If our guide enlightens or entertains you, don't forget to like, comment with your top selections, and subscribe for more insights into the tech world's gems. Let's discover which of the best wireless earbuds of 2024 will transform your audio experience. Kicking off our list is the Google Pixel Buds Pro, acclaimed as the premier choice for Android users in 2024. This edition of active noise cancellation, ANC, marks a significant leap forward for the Pixel Buds line. Google has enhanced these earbuds with continuous updates, adding features like customizable EQ and head-tracking surround sound, enriching the user experience. Pixel device owners get exclusive benefits, but all Android enthusiasts will find the Pixel Buds Pro to be one of the most value-driven earbuds on the market. Design-wise, the Pixel Buds Pro sports a sleek, flat look free from any sharp edges or rough joints, presenting a modern, cylindrical form factor. They come with 3 sizes of silicone ear tips, small, medium, and large, removing the need for the wingtip stabilizers that were part of the A series. Both the Pro and the A series maintain an IPX4 rating for resistance to water splashes, but uniquely, the Pro model includes an IPX2 rated waterproof case. The charging case, designed with an egg-like shape, lies flat by design. Its lid clicks satisfyingly upon opening or closing, highlighted by a subtle LED light that accents the case's sleek dividing line. The Pixel Buds Pro case supports wireless charging at 2.5 volts on a charging mat, with a USB-C charging cable provided for those without such a mat. The introduction of ANC in the Pixel Buds Pro is a first for Google, enhancing the listening experience with the option to switch between ANC, transparency mode, and mute via the earbud's intuitive touch controls. The Pixel Buds app further facilitates customization, especially for the tap and hold function. The transparency mode is particularly noteworthy for allowing ambient sound, ensuring users remain aware of their surroundings. Featuring beamforming microphones, voice accelerometers, and mesh covers to block wind noise, the Pixel Buds Pro ensures clear call quality even in bustling environments. With a sound profile that enriches bass and treble, these earbuds offer an auditory experience that's both immersive and balanced. The Google Pixel Buds Pro definitely earns a solid recommendation for its comprehensive blend of design, functionality, and sound quality. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds emerge as the frontrunners in the noise-canceling wireless earbud category for 2024, enhancing their already impressive predecessor with both subtle and notable upgrades. Retaining the aesthetic foundation of the QuietComfort Earbuds 2, these earbuds introduce refined design elements, such as an improved metal finish, reflecting Bose's commitment to both form and function. Powered by the same Qualcomm Series 5 chip used in the previous model, the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds also incorporate new chips to enable Bose's unique immersive audio feature. This proprietary technology aims to enrich the listener's experience by offering more depth to the audio content. An innovative addition is the IMU chip, which integrates a gyroscope and accelerometer, facilitating head tracking technology. This feature, coupled with the Snapdragon Sound Technology Suite, supports the latest Qualcomm Apex adaptive codec for streaming audio with both lossless and low-latency capabilities, setting a new standard in wireless audio performance. Bose's QuietComfort Ultra earbuds introduce 2 spatial audio modes to enhance the listening experience: a quiet mode without head tracking for stationary listening, and a motion mode that employs head tracking to ensure the soundstage moves with the listener, providing a dynamic and immersive auditory experience. This immersive audio feature is also a key component of Bose's new QuietComfort Ultra over-ear headphones, extending the innovative sound experience across different product lines. The earbud's standout feature, first-rate noise cancellation, is powered by custom-tuned technology that tailors the audio experience to each user, offering an unmatched level of personalization and effectiveness. Users can toggle between 3 modes depending on their needs: silent mode for concentrated listening, noise cancellation awareness mode for environmental awareness, and immersion mode for a fully enveloping sound experience with maximum noise cancellation. Offering up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, or 4 hours when utilizing the immersive audio feature, the QuietComfort Ultra earbuds also support quick charging, providing an additional 2 hours of playtime with just a 20-minute charge. This blend of advanced audio technology, personalized listening modes, and robust noise cancellation establishes the Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds as a top choice for discerning listeners seeking the ultimate in wireless earbud technology in 2024. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 stands out in our 2024 roundup as the flagship earbuds from Apple, offering significant enhancements over their predecessors. This second-generation AirPods Pro boasts superior sound quality, groundbreaking technical advancements, and an active noise cancellation feature that's reported to be twice as effective as the first model. Design-wise, they maintain the sleek aesthetic of the original AirPods Pro, with slight modifications in the placement of microphones and air vents, ensuring a comfortable fit at a light weight of 5.3 grams for prolonged use. At the core of the AirPods Pro 2 is the innovative H2 chip, which powers everything from advanced noise cancellation to the immersive 3D sound experience with head tracking, similar to the features found in the AirPods 3 and AirPods Max. A notable addition is the personalized 3D sound functionality, allowing users with an iPhone equipped with a true-depth camera to photograph their ears and create a custom hearing profile. This profile, once established, is available across compatible Apple devices, enhancing the auditory experience. With speculation surrounding the Bluetooth connectivity and audio codecs, it has been confirmed that the AirPods Pro 2 supports Bluetooth version 5.3 and the AAC codec, optimizing wireless performance and sound quality. The earbuds offer up to 6 hours of playback time with active noise cancellation enabled, with the case providing a quick 5-minute charge for an additional hour of listening time. The enhanced active noise cancellation capability of the AirPods Pro 2 effectively minimizes background noise from common disturbances like lawnmowers and engine noise, as corroborated by user feedback. While keyboard sounds remain perceptible, they are considerably softened, making them less distracting. Focusing on sound quality, the AirPods Pro 2 features new drivers and an adaptive equalizer that adjusts sound in real time, along with high dynamic range amplifiers that ensure crisp highs, deep bass, and remarkable clarity. The earbuds deliver a dynamic and expansive soundstage, with more pronounced bass notes and a clear, detailed mid-range that greatly aids in speech comprehension. The treble is carefully balanced to minimize listener fatigue, marking a notable improvement in audio quality compared to the first generation. This combination of features solidifies the AirPods Pro 2 as a premier choice for consumers seeking top-tier wireless earbuds. For audiophiles willing to invest in a superior listening experience, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 is the standout choice among premium wireless earbuds in 2024. Sennheiser, with its esteemed history since 1945, has been at the forefront of delivering exceptional audio products. The Momentum True Wireless 3 is the apex of their True Wireless TWS earphones lineup, showcasing a leap in sound quality and active noise cancellation technology, coupled with a fresh design evolution from its predecessors. Drawing inspiration from the new CX series, the Momentum True Wireless 3 discards the previous model's aluminum front panel in favor of a more contemporary semi-curved black plastic case, which includes 2 microphone holes for enhanced audio pickup. The charging case, known for its sleek and sophisticated design, continues to be one of the most visually appealing in the market. The earbuds themselves have seen a significant redesign from the tubular shape of the TWW2 to a more modern and appealing form in the TWW3. Each earbud is equipped with 3 microphones, which include additional ones dedicated to active noise cancellation, optical wear sensors for smart play pause functionality, charging contacts, and LED indicators to provide feedback on connection status and charging progress. They also boast an IPX4 rating for moisture protection, ensuring they're durable enough for daily use and exercise routines. A notable feature of the Momentum True Wireless 3 is the adjustable transparency mode, offering users the ability to hear ambient sounds either with music playing or with music paused, a thoughtful addition for those needing to quickly tune into their surroundings without removing the earbuds. Additionally, an innovative muffler setting with an upwind mode significantly reduces wind noise, enhancing call clarity and music listening in outdoor conditions. Sennheiser's introduction of sound zones is a groundbreaking feature, allowing users to set up to 20 custom sound profiles within specific locations, ranging from 100 meters to 1 kilometer. This enables automatic sound profile adjustments when entering or exiting these predefined zones, adding a personalized touch to the listening experience. In terms of sound quality, the Momentum True Wireless 3 outshines competitors, delivering audio that is rich, clear, balanced, and dynamic, with bass that is both powerful and well-defined. Battery life is impressive as well, with up to 7 hours of playback from the earbuds and an additional 21 hours from the charging case. Combined with its hybrid adaptive active noise cancellation that intelligently adjusts to your environment, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 epitomizes premium wireless earbud technology, making it an investment that's well worth it for those seeking the pinnacle of audio excellence. The crowning achievement in our 2024 wireless earbuds review is the Sony WF1000XM5, a model that exemplifies Sony's dedication to pushing the boundaries of audio technology and craftsmanship. This model outshines its rivals by delivering an audio experience that is both refined and superior in virtually every aspect. The Sony WF1000XM5 packages together unparalleled sound quality, advanced noise cancellation capabilities, and a design that is both compact and feather-light, setting a new standard for what users can expect from wireless earbuds. Central to the myriad improvements in the WF1000XM5 is the all-new Sony V2 audio processor. This powerhouse enables Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, significantly upgrades sound quality, and enhances the effectiveness of the active noise cancellation feature. This is particularly beneficial for audiophiles who use music players that support advanced Bluetooth codecs like LDAC or LHDC, ensuring a richer and more immersive listening experience. Despite maintaining battery life on par with its predecessors, Sony has infused the WF1000XM5 with innovative app features designed to enrich the user experience further. A notable design evolution has made these earbuds approximately 25% smaller and 20% lighter than before, promising unmatched comfort for all-day wear. The earbuds' dynamic speaker driver, with its innovative blend of dome and rim materials, delivers a sound profile characterized by deep, rich bass, minimal distortion, and vocals that sound more natural than ever. The incorporation of clear voice technology, which leverages an AI-driven noise reduction algorithm along with a bone conduction sensor, dramatically enhances call clarity. What sets the Sony WF1000XM5 apart is its meticulous attention to detail in audio reproduction. The earbuds offer an extensive frequency range with mid-level vocal details that are astonishingly realistic, providing a sense of presence and authenticity that is rare in wireless earbuds. This is further enriched by the dynamic driver's nuanced approach to handling different frequencies, ensuring that both instruments and vocals are rendered with lifelike clarity. The introduction of adaptive sound control, utilizing artificial intelligence to tailor your listening experience based on environmental context, alongside an improved soundstage over its predecessor, cements the WF1000XM5's position as the leading contender in the wireless earbuds market for 2024. In summary, the Sony WF1000XM5 stands as a testament to Sony's innovation, offering peak performance and an unmatched price-quality ratio, making it the best overall wireless earbuds choice for the year. And there you have it, the roundup of the top 5 best wireless earbuds in 2024. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest video releases. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to bring you more best selections and insights in the future.